Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make a unicorn today. All you'll need is a piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a black outline pen if you've got one. All right, so let's start with the head. So we're not going to put it down low, we're going to put it up on the high side. And the first shape I want you to draw with a sketch line, so we're not pushing hard, we're pushing lightly, is what I call a gumdrop shape. So it's kind of like a circle, but it's smaller on top and wider at the bottom. I'll show you what I mean. So I start with a curved top, just like that. Kind of looks like an upside down smiley face. Then I make a bigger smiley face underneath, and I give it a lot of space because this is going to be where I put my unicorn face, and I don't want it super tiny, otherwise I have to draw a really tiny face, and I don't want that. I want it to be nice and big. So look how far apart they are. All right, next I'm going to take this side, I'm going to round it up to meet the top. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to round it up, using sketch lines up to the top. Now this is what I call a gumdrop shape. It's smaller at the top, wider at the bottom, but it's got nice round edges. All right, this is the head. Now on the top, I want you to make an ear. When I make ears, they look a lot like leaves. I start with a circle, a half circle shape, and then I kind of come down to complete it. So it does look more like a leaf, which is fine. This is okay. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, except I'm going to give it some space in between. I'm going to go up and draw around. There we go. So I use more of a slanted line instead of a curved line. Now inside of the ears, I'm going to start by the head. I'm going to draw a curve that matches on the inside, and then one light curve that goes down. It's going to be for the inside of the ear. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I go up, I leave some space at the top, then I curve down. Okay? And that is going to be the inside of the ears. Next, of course, it's a unicorn. So I'm going to put a triangle right in the center of its head, as tall as I want my unicorn's horn to be. Just like that. And I'm going to make slanted lines up the triangle. So I'm leaving space in between. Now, on the sides of these lines, I'm going to draw half circle, and another half circle, and another half circle, and another half circle, and another half circle. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to draw a half circle here, half circle here, half circle here, half circle here, and one little circle at the very tip top. That's going to be my unicorn's horn. Now this unicorn has some nice hair. So I'm going to start up here at the top, and I'm going to make a swooshy line. Kind of looks like a sideways S. Starts right at the base of the unicorn horn, comes down near the ear, and out the side of the face. I'm going to take the corner of that and I'm going to bring it right back in, just like so. I'm going to repeat that swoosh, except I'm going to move a little bit further down. So now I'm behind the horn, and I'm going to go up, swoosh down, and if you notice, I met that line where I stopped my last one, and I'm going to curve it back, just like I did. And the last one is going to be closer to the ear, swoosh down, and this time it's going to come back around into what looks like a leaf. Kind of looks like the same shape as our ear, just going the opposite direction. Now, we can start drawing its cute face. So, on the bottom part of the face, I want you to draw a slight curve, just like that. And then, on top of that curve, I want you to draw 2 big circles. And it's okay if your hair covers one of the circles. Don't worry, that's going to be all right. Okay, I've got 2 circles. Next, I'm going to draw a half curve on the bottom half. Half curve on the bottom half. And I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 straight lines down. 1, 2, 3 straight lines down. Now inside this top part, I want you to make 1, 2 circles. Same thing on the other eye. 1, 2 circles. We're going to shade in the area that is around those 2 circles. I'm not going into the lines or into those little squares that I made. I'm only doing the top part. And if your hair is covering one of the eyes, just fill in the part that's showing. All right. Now on the sides, I'm going to put half circle, half circle, half circle, half circle. Those will be the pony's eyelashes. I'll also give it a little half curve up here for an eyebrow and a half curve over here for the other eyebrow. Now the nose, it really looks like a comma. So it starts with a circle, then a little hook. Circle, little hook. And they're going in opposite directions. And then right in the middle, put a little smiley face. All right, and now we're going to start working on the body. So I'm going to start the body right from the neck. I'm going to make a slanted line on one side and a slanted line on the other. I'm going to put a rectangle shape off to the side. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Rectangle shape. Then, in the center, I'm going to draw a curved line down. And I'm going to draw a curved line down the other way. I'm going to come down and across. Basically, it looks like a longer rectangle, so it comes down across and then back up, but not all the way. Do the same thing on the other side. Come down across, go up, but not all the way. I'm going to draw a line right there so it looks like it's hooves. And then I'm going to draw a little line to connect to those 2 rectangles that we drew. I made little upside down L's. All right, now we're going to finish its hair. So it's got its bangs over here, but we're going to add a nice fluffy mane on the side. So right on the side of the ear, I want you to make a half circle, but don't close it, leave it open. Then above that line, you're going to do another half circle, and don't close it. Last, you're going to do another one. This time it's going to hook around like a candy cane, just like a candy cane. And I'm going to follow it around so it becomes a ponytail. All right, so we have our unicorn, but it might be hard to notice or to see it because we do have sketch lines. So this is where the black marker comes into play. I'm going to outline it for you so you can see the final drawing. All right, I've got it all outlined. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take an eraser and I'm gonna lightly erase all of my sketch marks. So any pencil lines that I see. All right, and there you've got it, a cute little unicorn. If you see any lines that maybe you need to connect, go ahead and use your pen and touch them up. And when you're all done, you can color it however you'd like. I hope you had fun. See you later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.